Best shot in seconds, say what matters. India considers nuclear liability fund for major accidents. India is planning to establish a nuclear liability fund to cover compensation beyond a certain threshold in the event of accidents, according to sources speaking on 25 September 2025. The proposed fund would cover claims exceeding 15 billion rupees, approx $169 million, owed by plant operators, thereby limiting the indemnity burden on individual operators. The federal government aims to bring forward an updated atomic energy bill in the December parliamentary session, which will include provisions for this statutory fund. Under current Indian law, nuclear operators' liabilities are capped, which has been a key concern for foreign suppliers reluctant to enter India's nuclear market. This fund is seen as a mechanism to spread risk, reassure global suppliers, and stimulate private and foreign investment in India's nuclear sector. India has ambitious plans to expand nuclear power capacity by a factor of 12 by 2047, and investments from private and foreign firms are crucial to achieving that goal. The proposed fund would supplement the existing operator liability regime and may soften previously strict liability laws, which some viewed as a barrier to participation. The plan also involves removing unlimited liability exposure for suppliers and aligning India's legal framework more closely with international norms. While the idea is still under discussion, the move signals a shift in how India handles nuclear risk. If the fund is implemented properly, it could be a key enabler of India's nuclear ambitions, encourage more competition in the sector, and accelerate capacity building. However, challenges remain in designing fair rules, ensuring oversight, and balancing public safety with industry incentives. Source: Reuters. That's it for today. Keep watching BizShort for instant business headlines.